ngisho ngakunika opportunity enhle kanjani, lo opportunity uzoyidraga to the level of your thought, to the level of your identity, your world views, the way you think about yourself, the level of vibration. Ngisho ngayinhle kanjani opportunity, ngisho ngakunika opportunity ebheda kanjani, uzoyishintsha lo opportunity uyenze ibe marvelous, uyenze lo opportunity ukuthi blossom. Ngisho kuthiwa it's terrible kangakanani. That is why you see people, yabo labantu enibabona be successful, nithi nina ba successful, labo bantu awazi ukuthi they have enjoyed how much pain they have enjoyed, yabo, how much obstacles they have encountered and conquered. Awukwazi lokho wena, yabo. Wena ubona nje umuntu eseshine eseblossom, sekungama effects lawo, lapho yena ube conquerisha, eshintsha ilemon ayenze lemonade. Phela kumele wazi ukuthi kuyi success kunanto ekuthiwa sacrifice. There are things that you need to sacrifice, okuwukuthi wena awukwazi ukuthi into vele zikunethe nje. You go through pain no gain. Cabanga ukuthi nje wena izinto ezovele zikunethe nje ayisebenzi leyo nto ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelele lo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, yabona. That is why ubona i-millionaire ulivele liqede nje imali, wawina imali yako Raf noma wawina imali ayishelwa abazali, avele lo mali leyo ayenze ilingane naye, ayishaya ibhobhodla, ayishaya ize. Yes. The universe ke futhi can never ever bless you with the level of money that your character cannot handle. You see, you first need to build yourself, to build your character, because as I used to explain, about ama world views ne identity yakho, showcase ama circumstances and situations, they are going to follow that, what you have about yourself in your own mind. So ama situations that you are going to come across, they have been cooked by your identity, the world views, level of thinking. Because when ungathola ukuthi awunakile ukuthi vele there is this thing ethi ngawe we are undeserving, yabo, you are not capable, unebhadi, you don't articulate well, you don't know whether kuzolungani, you all these things that you have about yourself. Surely the opportunities that come, you don't even see them. Even the greatest opportunity, you just collapse it to the level of indlela oyicabanga ngayo nange level ocabanga ngayo wena. Ingakho ke uthi wena umuntu osho njalo uthi ibhadi liyakwazi ukubukwalo, uhamba uthi imali izwenye, uqinisile vele kunjalo vele. Ibhadi liyakwazi ukubukwalo, because why? Yabo, as a man consistently continues to think, so he remains. Yabo. So those situations will keep on repeating themselves. That is the law of karma. History will always repeat itself unless changed. So get bad things, terrible things, all that nonsensical things that are happening, they will continue to happen. Inhlanhla futhi iyakwazi ukubukwayo nayo. Because njoba ngishilo ngathi mina, based on wena ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi ubani wena, uzokwazi ukushintsha terrible situations wenza blossom. Ngoba what solves the problem is not that the solution, it is the mindset behind the solution. Ungathothi I can give you the solution that can solve your problem, but that solution, no matter how perfect that solution, but when uzoyenza lo solution ukuthi be miserable ngendlela wena ucabanga ngayo, you don't even see the opportunities. You cannot see the opportunities that do not resonate with you. There are opportunities outside there, but because wena unalento yani efiye ukuthi uyasaba and awunayo inhlanhla and awukho capable because ushoda ngalokho, because you are confused, all of those things, ngisho kungenzekalani, you won't see those opportunities. You are only going to see ama-opportunities alingana nawe, and ama-opportunities alingana nawe wena ocabanga kanjalo. So ama-opportunities that are low vibe, low vibrational, you will see all the problems in every solution. Every solution will see a problem. But if you change the way of thinking, in every problem you see a solution. Akuzuba lula. Yabona njengoba wena ucabanga ukuthi you wish all these greatest things, these beautiful things about yourself, but you tell ukuthi they don't even happen, or some of them they do. But the thing is, you wish with your conscious mind, but your body is your subconscious mind. It stores memory, it stores habits, habitual actions and emotions. The body is addicted to emotions. The mind is addicted to thinking. So the body will crave certain emotions and the mind will crave certain thoughts. So there are certain thoughts that trigger certain emotions that the body will crave for. So that is why uthola ukuthi ngokuthi uzenze victim, you feel better, because indlela ozosizwa ngayo le, we are addicted to that, ukuthi by you feeling helpless and being a victim, complaining and all those things, you just feel better because that's what your body is addicted to. Because now your body becomes your subconscious mind, so it remembers first before your mind even remembers. So already your body dictates what needs to happen, what's next. It will dictate that, because izokukhumbuza kuqala umzimba ukuthi this is what you need to think now. Because amaqala nje into ezokwenzeka before your conscious mind even catches, umzimba wakho uzobe sewureactile entweni ezithile, uzobe usikhulumile into ezithile, uzobe usenzile into ezithile. That is why ungekwazi ukuyifihla into ayiyona, because you will always react according to the way you are in your subconscious mind. So you change, that's how you change a very wonderful opportunity into a misery, because when the way you act, the way you talk, will show ukuthi immediately you will be revealed. You'll be revealed immediately. So umuntu kade umuntu efuna usizo, ufuna umsebenzi, efunani, usumqashileke wena, usiyambona ukuthi unhloboni ngapenda. Usiyambona manje unhloboni ukuthi that is why lo muntu kwakwenzeka kanje. Lo muntu, even though he is not a bad person, but is a bad person to him or herself. Uhleze nalento ukuthi mhlambe uzibukela phansi, uzithatha kancane, akayana confidence. Uyabona ukuthi kuvela ukuthi nje awumngani ngamvusa ngebheje elilodwa lokuthi phaphama wena. Phaphama yini uyithathe kancane? Yini uthithize? Thithiziswa yini empilweni? Why don't you think this opportunity is also best for you? You can do your best kuyona futhi. Awuna confidence. Even amathuba amdlula kanjalo, because the way of thinking ayiyona. Akuyona solution esolve inkinga, good people. Akuyona solution esolve inkinga. I-mindset, i-attitude. I-attitude behind low solution esolve. I can come up with a very terrible solution, kodwa isolve inkinga. Ulo wena ucabanga ukuthi iyona into eyenzayo, akuyona into. Akona amanzi asesontweni lakho, akona uvaseline wasesontweni lakho, akona umthandazo wasesontweni lakho osebenzayo, wena osebenzayo unikeza amandla leyo nto. So even ne solution ke ingaba terrible, kodwa isebenze ngoba iphethwe wena.